Encapsulation. Encapsulation means data hiding. So suppose there is a class called Aadhaar card. Inside that there is a variable called biometric information. You want to protect that biometric information. You want to hide that data. That is data hiding. Second, let's say there is a class called bank account, and then in that there is a variable called bank balance. You want to hide that bank balance. Similarly, assume this there is a capsule. Inside the capsule there is a medicine content. We never go and see what is the content and what contents are there inside that particular medicine. We directly take that capsule. So all these things are part of a data hiding. Similarly, in the class, there is a variable, there is a function. The variable holds the data, and that variable data is being accessed by different functions for processing, for manipulating. We want to hide that for the security reasons. That's the reason we go with encapsulation. And for that, we have these three access modifiers: private, public, and protected. Let's say there is this class having a variable called secret, 42 value is there. I want to hide that data. I want it to be accessed only in the functions present in this class. No one should access it. I'll mark it as private. But let's say if I want this value to be accessed only by my child class, then in that case, I'll be marking it as protected. The child class is extending me and they can access this variable. If I want it to be accessed publicly, like anyone can access that information. For example, the news that are there in public domain, for example, US President Donald Trump. So if we want that to be public, then we'll mark it as public and anyone can access it.